This angle makes faces look powerful, but if you try to draw it straight on, it won't seem correct. So here's how to build it properly, using perspective to get a powerful finished face. Okay, so I've got this sketch here of this girl looking upwards, or at least we're underneath her and we can see the bottom of her chin, and so it's an under view, a worm's eye view, I guess. And what I want to do is show you how when the face is turned away, the top parts get smaller. So instead of looking at a face straight on where we have 3 equal spaces, as you tilt the face up, you're going to see less of the forehead area. So what I'm going to do is I've got one of my head templates here, and which is basically 6 by 10. It's actually 9 centimeters across and 15 centimeters high. So it still works out to be 6 units by 10 units. And there we go. So I've got that. And okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically see if I can guesstimate. Divide this section into thirds, 3 equal spaces, and then 1/3 for the top of the head. So there we go. So there's basically our head, and we have eyebrows, we have a nose. Actually, how am I going to do this nose? I think the best way to do it might be the M. Like that. The mouth, there's halfway from the nose to the chin, and the mouth, of course, is closer to the nose than the chin, so we always place the opening of the mouth above halfway. And then we will put in some eyes, and I'm just going to put in my standard slanted rectangles like this. There's the hairline, and there's the top of the head, like that. Cheeks, jaw. Let's make it a more slender jaw, like that. Okay. Maybe make those eyes just a little taller. All right, so these are the lines we need to see the most. Okay, so when you're looking at the face, you know, these are roughly equal, and this is roughly 1/3. Okay, so as you start to look under, you can see that these areas here get foreshortened, they get shorter. And maybe what I'll do is I'll do one view where we just take off the hair, so you can see the 3 areas here like this, not counting the hair, and then as I tip it up, see how that forehead area gets smaller and shorter and shorter and shorter? All right, so that's what's happening. As you tilt up, you have to actually make these top areas shorter and shorter. All right, so that's what I was trying to show you here. Front on, they're equal. Tipped it up a little bit. You know, each one gets successively smaller, and then the more you tilt it, the smaller each area gets. All right, so I just wanted to point that out, and there you go, your bonus perspective lesson.